not firm enough.
Bottom screw is off.
Yeah, they're already out.
So that needs to screw the other way around.
That's on.
Oh no, lift it, raise it like that just to see if it's, yeah, there you go. So you want to do slowly. Right. Can you see it's lifted around that side and that side? So you check both
It's really
sides.
cracked. It's really cracked there. Just so you know.
Yes, I can see that.
Okay.
But just put a little bit of alcohol in that crack to loosen the glue behind it. And we need a bit of alcohol here. And then, wait. It's all about the alcohol. Yeah? Make it drunk. Slowly.
Yeah, keep going. It's just popped up on that side.
Yeah, that's fine. Alcohol it again. All the way, go all the way to the top, yeah? Now, sideways. Slowly.
Get some in that corner.
Let the gravity do the work. So this side is popped open, as you can see.
Just like a spudger can help it.
There you go. So we just need that side to pop open. Slowly. Alcohol it more here. There you go. Can you see it's lifting now?
Yeah.
So it's just the glue that is holding it. Wait. Perfect. Stop. It's done.
Okay.
See that? Wait a minute. Let's just show it. And it also has a crack on the screen. It's got a crack on the screen there, but still is not affecting it. Yeah.